Switching phones on Tracfone. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to switch phones on Tracfone. So let's get started. To move your Tracfone service to a new phone, start by making sure you have the important details from your current device, such as the IMEI and your Tracfone account login. Keep both phones powered on during the process. Then sign into your Tracfone account through their website or application. Go to the section where you can activate a phone or upgrade your device. Whenever prompted, enter the IMEI or serial number of the new phone so Tracfone can transfer your service to it. You will be asked to confirm that you want to move your phone number along with your remaining talk time, text, and data. Once that's done, restart the new phone so the activation can finish properly. Your new device should now be working with your Tracfone plan. And that's how you will be able to switch phones on Tracfone.